BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's September 17th, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That's Scaramucci's, and this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO Index has dropped to 48 from yesterday's 53. And Nosy Miss New Spam social media market sentiment in a rent-controlled apartment in Queens is at 91%, which means every time people talk about Bitcoin has a 91% positivity rate. Bitcoin dominance is at 41.7%. 24-hour volume is at 109.4 billion, and the overall market cap is 2.15 trillion. Or give or take 100 million. Hey. It's Flag Day at Chart School today as we see a nice little bull pennant forming on the daily. Price action clinging to the arms of its squatter, the 20 moving average, oscillating around its emotional pull the past couple days. Now, traditional trading Poindexters would point out that the pennant has about a 55% reliability when it comes to its efficacy, but it's a lot higher than blackjack, and I'll take it. My dad eye is preaching a cautionary tale of two spinning tops of market indecision, which would reinforce the Poindexter's interjection on low percentage reliability. Thanks for your input, guys. You can continue your Dungeons and Dragons match or game or whatever you call it. Checking in with the kids at the 4-hour chart, we also see a bull flag wagging in the winds of optimism. And now the Poindexters have silently elbowed each other and added the flag has a higher percentage reliability of about 67%. Reliability of what, you ask? Well, a breakout to the upside, of course. And thanks for asking. We also see a whole lot of loving around this 200 moving average, clinging to it like Led Zeppelin clings to the blues minor pentatonic scale. And now I'm the musical Poindexter. Drink specials till 9:30, everybody. We talked about this range yesterday, and it stood the test of YouTube time. The lowest it got was to hold its breath to see if it could touch the bottom of the lake, only to hit the muddy floor of the 20 moving average. And bounce right back up. 3 drink minimum, everyone. The piano is pontificating the 20 moving average, rising up and crossing the 200, giving renewed optimism in the market, weather sentiment alone, and will add to the 67% breakout reliability percentage. And it's telling me he thinks that it will take place late afternoon. How does the piano know, and why do you think it's a guy, not a girl? Both great questions. Thanks for asking. The piano doesn't know. It's just a musical pontificatrix, mulling over data and watching cycles. The reason it's a guy is because it puts up with my bullshit that no girl ever would. Hey, looking good, Diane. Think of the 20 moving average as the Ryan Cokes being ordered, and the market is the bartender slinging them at price action. The bartender knows that in and around 8 Ryan Cokes, price action gets lit. Starts telling the same old story, but how it almost made the NHL over and over and over again. Usually gets to the 8th rye late afternoon, and that, my friend, is the science behind technical analysis. Hey, Matty B, what about the weekly chart? Is that a bear flag or a pennant or whatever your metaphorical Poindexters are calling it? And to that I say yes and no. It's crude and awkward and resembles a flag or a pennant. But it's like when they dressed up E.T. Yes, it looks like an old lady from Georgia going to the Kentucky Derby, but ultimately it's a little bit of a reach. However, looking at the weekly, there are some wick elephants in the room, here, and here. And some people have said that the most accurate TA I've commented on is the old wives' tale I made up that didn't exist in TA vernacular till these videos popped up out of nowhere. Now sing it with me. That which once win, oh, I get candlestick. That would set the Bush Party down at 43.4-ish to fulfill its folklorian destiny. But I'm going to err on the side of optimistic mojo and declare this candle a hammer candle. The bullish of all bullish candles, and I see the Poindexters have elbowed each other in the side whispering, it has a 60% reliability when acting as a bullish reversal. And I say 60%, that's better than all my relationship success rate put together. I'll take it, and remember, we're playing that same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's a long game, so zoom out and have a fantastic day. And it's Friday, so sing me out. 3, 4. Whoa.